In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing a Dropbox folder. If you've shared a folder for a project, a class, or a temporary collaboration, and it's time to close access, this walkthrough will help you do it cleanly and confidently so everyone knows what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Dropbox.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials so you can access your files. Once you're in, look to the left panel and go to Folders. This view helps you see your folder structure clearly, including any folders that are currently shared with others. Find the shared folder you want to stop sharing, hover your mouse over that folder, and click the Share button. It looks like a rectangle with an up arrow. This opens a window that shows sharing details and who currently has access, which is helpful if you want to double check you're working with the right folder before you proceed. In that window, click the settings icon, which appears as a gear. From there, choose Unshare Folder. This is the key action that ends sharing for everyone who currently has access. You'll see an important pop-up asking what to do with the other members' files. Here's what each option means in plain language. If you select Let Members Keep a Copy, everyone who currently has access will keep their own copy of the files exactly as they are right now, but they will not receive any future updates you make to your version of the folder. Think of it like giving them a snapshot that no longer syncs. If you leave that option unchecked, the folder will be removed from their Dropbox accounts immediately, which means they lose access and do not keep a copy. Take a moment to choose the option that matches your intent. If collaborators still need a record of what's been done so far, letting them keep a copy is often the gentler choice. If you need to fully revoke access or remove sensitive material, leaving it unchecked is appropriate. When you're ready, click Unshare to confirm. That's it, you've stopped sharing the folder. Your copy remains in your account, and others will either keep a static copy or lose access based on the choice you made. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to let collaborators know ahead of time that sharing will end, especially if they need to save anything on their side. Thanks for watching.